Watigana nayo mwanchumulie yani tokande mase ya mwaika county ya Kisii asingu kumenya buna ababwatani bekiama gya UDA korwase county yo nigoba mochirie ababwatani korwaso bomobwa Azimio la Umoja kubwatikana no korobekana okukwabete gokwene kigwa litko ligoro bakoragwa mu bwatani omonene bwekiame ikyo Hezekia Bosire nigo agikire ebikora ebibebete bikwene kigwa litko ligoro anmono asebinte binge byabete bigosalika.
But I think for yesterday, that was not a demonstration. What was there is violence because all the roads were closed. The stalls of the mamambogas were burnt. There were stones all over. People were being chased with rungus up and down. So we want to condemn this incident. So I want to call upon our Kisii leaders, starting from our CS, Honorable Machogu, our Treasurer, Honorable Japheth, our Whip, Honorable Soro, Honorable Gloria, Honorable Esio Kenyuri, and even our former governor, Honorable Elvis Omariba. I want to ask you to come together, settle down, and try to ensure that our county continues the way it is. I also want to remind the county leaders that they need Kisii as a county. You see, yesterday was a show day. The show was being opened, where our mamambogas, our border vijanas would have at least done some business. But everything was paralyzed. And I'm imagining how much money we lost as a county. So we want to condemn this, and we want to urge our brothers and sisters who might have been used to come and do such kind of bad things to stop.
Hezekia Bosire, Kisii County UDA coordinator. We are very aware that the demonstrations are anchored in the Constitution and actually it's recorded as peaceful demonstrations. But what we experienced yesterday, there was a lot of violence, there was a lot of looting, there was a lot of hooliganism, and also even to the extent of public destruction of property. I want to urge the people of Kisii that from the beginning the Kisiis have been very peaceful. We know how to iron our issues when there is a misunderstanding. It's not only through violence that you can come to the table.